How to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. So there's actually no method to actually do this on the actual Facebook. But what you can do is you can head over here to your Chrome, then click on these three dots, and then click on this settings. Once you have done that, click on this Google Password Manager. You can also locate it on your Google services like Gmail, as well as Google Drive or any Google services. Click on this right here, and then you can see in here that we have a saved password for Facebook. So this will only work if you save your password on your Facebook right here when you head over and log in the past. Click on this right here, and then you just need to enter right here screen lock in order to see your password. Don't worry because this is actually not the password that they have. So you can head over and then just click on this copy icon right here. And then once you have copied that, you can head over and then use it to log in to your Facebook. So that's how you see your Facebook password if you forgot it. Hope we help.